Let's get you flying. Toothless, they're on their way, and the launcher isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my drawing. These wings will give you a dragon's-eye view without all the chafing from the scale. Toothless, you forgot the wings! That is not a good thing to forget. Hang on! You're coming! Hey, Toothless, right? I'll let you faster, or is it just me? Shake! Watch out for the shake! Yeah, this would be a great place to stop, you know. Stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing. All joking aside, you really can't be here when he's in here. Oh, not good. Take cover! But I've flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Burke, you just stop by. We'll be glad to fly with you again, won't we, Toothless?